Hi, this is Leslie.
And Lexi.
And we're here today to introduce you to our 2022 ButterCream collection, the Farmer's Market.
Yes, Farmer's Market is fresh, fun, and full of springtime energy. When you think of spring, there is nothing more exciting and refreshing than a farmer's market. Farmers markets represent growth, new life, and just the kind of creation that spring is all about. And everyone craves homegrown flavor and the lovely colors that come along with fresh vegetables, fruits, and flowers. Am I right?
You are so right. And this is such an easy inspiration for spring because we went to our local produce stores and markets and we thought, my gosh, these colors just speak to you. And they do say spring. And
we are actually standing in Redmond, Oregon's very own produce schoolhouse market here.
Yes.
And it is so much fun that they let us come and do this and we get to share this with you guys.
And as you can see, the inspiration of color is all around us and spring is new growth. So you guys are going to have so much fun with this spring collection. So they want to know what the colors are, Lexi.
Yes.
I know that. So let's dive right in.
Let's get started. I think you are up.
I'm up. Okay. So we have Meet at the Market. This is a muddy terracotta pink. What I like about this, it's not really a bright pink. It has that neutral, but it also is not too light. And I do believe this color will take you year round. It's a perfect fall color.
Terracotta meets pink.
Spring color, sorry. Whoa.
Yeah, spring. Reel it back.
I know.
Next one is Farm Fresh. I absolutely love this color because it's super unique. It's a bright, bold tangerine meets brown. It's a perfect way to describe it.
It is.
It's not orange, it's not brown, it's a perfect hybrid, and it is the perfect environment in a farmer's market.
Isn't it?
Because it is like if I had to pick something that it represents, probably what, like a sweet potato?
It is exactly a sweet potato, I do have to say.
So it is a unique, fun, kind of neutral orange, so please don't be afraid of this.
And it is unique, and don't be afraid. But we don't have anything like it, and you don't see much out there, but it's going to be so on trend this year. All right, Cherry Picked. Of course, this is going to be a warm fuchsia base with tiny flecks of pink sparkle throughout. So this fuchsia is, it's bold, but it's not too bright. It's not too kind of obnoxious in your face. But then it has those tiny bits of just a little bit of sprinkle of tiny glitters. You can barely see it, but the sunlight catches that spring sunlight's going to catch it.
A little pop.
Oh gosh, it just brightens it up.
I call this the perfect transitional fuchsia between fall and spring.
It's perfect.
It is.
Perfect. It'll take you all the way through summer. So definitely a good one.
Yes.
Nice.
All right, next is my favorite, Veggies and Vines. It's a cucumber green with a lot of white in the background, making it pop.
Yep.
It's so soft and sweet. It's a beautiful pastel green, very, very soft if you're looking for something feminine and delicate.
I think the perfect word for this one is fresh.
Fresh.
It is so fresh.
Yes.
It is spring fresh.
Yes.
You're going to walk out with this and be so fresh. And I like the green because it has a lot of white in it, so it's light for spring. And I really do think this one will be a really fun one on the toes.
Yes, I agree.
Yes. Get that little mini dot and put that little dot on your toes, right?
There you go.
All right, going organic. Yes, we're at a farmer's market. Of course, we'll have to have an organic. A creamy buff neutral pink. This one is probably our softest of the pinks, definitely. But it's a neutral. So if you don't really like your pinks, you're safe with this because it's enough on the neutral side, but it does lean more towards the pink than the brown. But I like it because it's one that's going to go with everything because it's not too loud. It's going to be easy to wear.
It's a muddled light pink.
But it's got a bit of a sophistication to it. So perfect.
Okay, last but definitely not least is locally grown. It's a creamy, springy pastel gray. This one also has a lot of white to it, and it's very sophisticated. I feel like you would wear it. Like a boss would just walk in and own that gray.
You know what I like about it because it's not too heavy, especially for spring. So it is definitely a spring gray. It's got that white in it. My question was to you, what fruit or vegetable in here did this one come after, the gray?
That is a really good question.
Maybe
the little mouse?
The little mouse that ran by? I don't know. It's great.
No, there's no mice.
These 6 colors are absolutely spectacular. There's something unique. They each have their own trend kind of going on. It was so much fun to be at our locals farmers market at the Schoolhouse Produce. and to go through and get the inspiration of this. I can't wait for you guys to experience and see what you're going to do with it.
Yes.
Remember, ButterCreams are a hard gel that are so packed with pigment, so you have to put it on really, really thin, but it'll butt right up next to that cuticle and make that manicure or that set of nails just look spectacular. Anyway, they're available now. So contact Light Elegance or your local distributor. And of course, Lexi, everything, what's inside matters.
What's inside matters, you guys. Just be aware of what you put on your clients and yourselves. We are all healthy and safe ingredients. Check out the icons below here. But we really believe in what's inside matters. We take it very seriously.
And here we are in an organic farmer's market
today.
The
Schoolhouse Produce in Redmond, Oregon.
So if you come to Redmond, come on over and see us. They're absolutely fabulous people and got some wonderful fruits and vegetables that inspired our spring collection.
Yes. Well, available now, you guys. Thank you so much and have a beautiful spring.
Happy spring.
Bye.